Hello, welcome back to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. I'm back on the Gold Coast, guys. I'm working on this Ford Falcon. Specifically, I'm going to be changing the window washer motor. The one when you pull your, squirt your windows. That's the little pump that pumps the water, squirts windows, and of course that goes out. Then you're not getting you can't even get a roadworthy. So that's what we're going to be swapping here today, guys. Now it is underneath in here behind this front bar. The good news is all we got to do is realistically turn your steering to the right, opening up a whole bunch of space. Pull the mud guard lining sort of thing away, which is just a few plastic clips, and we can pull the motor out, put a new one in, and good to go. Guys, don't forget, if you need this part, click on the title of the video. Description will pop down. Click on the link, order it, get it in your hand first, then come back, rewatch the video, do it yourself, save yourself some money. And once you realise your savings, give the video a thumbs up and sub to the channel. Alright, let's jump into it. So I've turned the steering, but with these big ass rims, we haven't got much space in here. I'm still going to give it a go. So you want to be pulling out just these little clips here, because this is a separate trim here. So you start with this one here. You want to try and not break these, so try and use a proper little pry tool, where you can kind of get on both sides, pull it out nice. And then this should just pop out. Yep, that's one. The same thing here. Pop it right out. Should just pop out nicely. Yep. Same thing here again. Comes right out. Okay, now we can have a look in behind here. Yeah, so I can already see the motor, which is good news. Have a look in there. So there's your motor there. Realistically, I can put my hand straight in right now and pop that motor out and bring it out here and undo all the wires. When I do that, you're not going to be able to see, but I'll show you how easy this is. Watch this. You go in, you grab it, pop it out like that, bring it out here to press this plug. You're going to get water over the ground, guys. It should be okay. Twist that like so, pop it out, and that's how easy it is to change a little motor. Now, guys, I want you to remember or take note. Imagine if you paid a mechanic an hour's labor at the current rate, it's 150 bucks to swap that. We just got it out in literally 1 minute straight, and they'd upsell you on the part. It could be a $300 job in what is essentially going to cost you about $63.30 with free express price anywhere in Australia. Yeah, definitely jump on there, press the link, buy it, get it in your hand, and do it yourself. Alrighty, guys, so you grab your new one and put it back in. Alrighty, guys, so we've got the new Parts Factory one here. It does come with a new seal, but the seal's still back in that bottle and it wasn't leaking, so I'm not going to use that seal. It's not really required. Alright, let's chuck it back in. Guys, so I'm going to start with the hose. Same procedure in reverse. I do not want to put it in and then do all this. I'm going to do all this while it's out here with us. So you put the plugs back in, nice and easy. You want to hear an audible click, and you can just reach on back in, line up the hole with the seal, which is just down there a bit, push it in nice and firm, and yeah, it's going to pop back into the bottle like so. And then at this point, guys, you could technically do a test, but I'm pretty confident in my stuff, so I'm going to put all these back in. You can just go like that and push, and yeah, let's fill it up with some water and do a test. Alrighty, guys, so we've filled up the water spout thing, so we'll come around here. At this point, we've got the ignition of the vehicle on. You'll probably get sprayed, but we should just be able to pull on the stick, let it pump through. It's still empty. We need more water. Alrighty, guys, so we put the thing in as we showed you, and we tried to do it, and we didn't get any water coming out. What we established is we pulled that hose back off, the delivery hose, and blew through it and cleared it out, because then, yeah, we basically come to the conclusion there was a slight block. But yeah, now we've got nice, consistent pressure. Alrighty, guys, thanks for watching another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. My name's Lucas. See you next time.